Hey guys, it's Sparkle. I'm moving into my 20th year as a makeup artist, and setting sprays have definitely evolved. Although most brands offer setting sprays, let's just choose the right one for you. If your skin is normal, you'll be fine with a simple, long-lasting setting spray. My faves for normal skin is the Makeup Setting Spray by Mainline Cosmetics. In at number 2, Urban Decay All Nighter. And number 3, Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. If your skin is dry, you'll want something to give you more of a wet or dewy finish. This particular setting spray will keep your makeup on all day and will also make your skin look very hydrated. One of my faves for dry skin is Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And in at number 2, Maybelline Glass Spray. Last but not least, oily skin. Oily skin is a bit tricky. Typically, you want to look for something that says it's oil controlled or oil free. For oily skin, Mainline Cosmetics Oil Control. Running neck and neck, Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Matte. That concludes my setting spray suggestions. Until next time.